Meet Jonathan, owner of a regular roller bag. Now meet Scott, owner of the all-new Skytrek Smart Luggage. Chapter 1. Packing. John's luggage uses a number lock with the code 129. Or was it 128? But with Skytrek's Fingerprint ID, Scott can get in and out of his bag with ease. Its built-in shelves and mini bags keep your things organized, while its zip-up compartments keep them from moving around. Plus, its spacious main compartment keeps your clothes securely fastened. It even comes with a garment hanger. All in a vertical design that lets you access it without laying it down. Chapter 2. Check-in. Keeping track of your bag can be tough when you're in a hurry. That's why Skytrek will alert you if you stray too far from it. Once you're inside, Skytrek helps you get to your gate faster. Its front pockets give you quick access to essentials, while its removable battery pack and front pocket get you through the security line quickly. Chapter 3. Your gate. Scott made it to his gate 40 minutes early. Good thing Skytrek helps him make the most of it. Its flat design serves as a portable work desk that comes with a convenient phone charger. Flying isn't a hassle when you come prepared.
Hey, Bromeister, yo, can I borrow your charger, man? My phone's dead.
Sure, man.
And when it's time for takeoff, airplane mode turns on automatically. And when it's time to land, Skytrek automatically turns it back off. Chapter 4. Baggage claim. A lost bag is a traveler's worst nightmare, but with Skytrek's built-in GPS tracking, you always know where your bag is. This was a tale of two travelers, but only one has a happy ending. Smarter, safer, Skytrek. Back us today and be one of the first to receive your very own. So, what happened to John? He missed his flight. And we have the exclusive interview only on Skytrek TV.
We hear that you missed your flight today because you are still sporting what some may call yesterday's bag.
Broski, can I get some help with this? Come on, like Skytrek can't be that great, right? Well, I mean, they call it like smart luggage. How smart can it be?
Smarter than you, perhaps. Thanks to its GPS, fingerprint lock, front pocket, and vertical opening.
Yo, you think I could get me one of those, bro?
No, this is mine.